Nearly 2,000 years ago, Egypt awakened each day in ritual and power, where gods, rulers, and artisans shaped history beneath the rising sun. Beneath Cleopatra's palace lay a forbidden workshop, guarded, sealed, and hidden, where royal symbols were crafted beyond mortal eyes. Inside this hidden chamber, artisans worked in silence, where faith, craftsmanship, and royal destiny merged beneath ancient stone. Before shaping the dress, the lion's spirit was honored, cleansed through ritual to protect the queen it would soon empower. Through skill and patience, raw power was refined, every cut shaping the lion into royal form. Using nature itself, ancient Egyptians preserved power, turning fragile hide into enduring royal armor. From earth and stone, royal colors were born, each shade chosen to command fear, beauty, and devotion. Thread by thread, the lion's power was shaped, stitched with gold fit only for a queen. Gold and divinity intertwined, transforming the dress into a living symbol of godlike rule. Every stitch was judged not by men alone, but by gods and royal decree. Secrecy was absolute, because power, once revealed, could reshape empires. Lion skin dress was complete, crafted not to adorn, but to dominate, or all awaited the queen when myth would meet flesh. Even unseen, Cleopatra's presence commanded the room. Clothed in the lion, Cleopatra became legend, queen, goddess, and eternal power.
Let the journal begin.
The lion was no costume, it was a warning. For the first time, Rome felt uncertain.
The balance shifts.
In a single day, Cleopatra became Roman myth. After Cleopatra's arrival, Rome's plans changed. Cleopatra did not conquer Rome with war, but with presence, symbolism, and legend. Even gods feel the weight of fate when empires shift and destiny closes in. When alliances fail, only legend remains. Alexandria burned, but its queen did not bend. The lion's power had served its purpose. Rome could claim her body, but never her will. Rome sought spectacle, forgetting who they faced. Death was not her end, it was her final command. Rome arrived too late. She defeated Rome without lifting a weapon. Egypt lost a queen but gained an immortal. History did not bury her, it crowned her. Empires fall, legends remain. Cleopatra was eternal.